मैं आता हूँ बात थोड़ी। The theory part, okay. Log into your drive. I'll be sharing one file. Log into your drive, online students. Guys, I've make a folder called KNN. Shh. Everyone, log into Drive. Download. There are two Python file, one data file. Okay. Download that both the Python file. Data will be same. Run both the file. Okay, and then wait. Once you get the output, just update me. I'll start the example on pen paper. Guys, write example and start writing this one. Write example and starting with this. Hashtag example one for classification task. Write this. Online students, guys. Done with the example. Just give the confirmation. Hello. Online students, just give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, I'm just presenting on one laptop to the classroom students. I'll come back to you also. So once students have make a presentation, then I'm just showing them. Okay. Sorry guys for making you wait, online students. Well, for the continue on this. So guys, last time you done with the theory part. Shall I? Guys, this topic will take 15 minutes for calculations with explanation. We'll solve 2 examples on pen paper and same 2 example we'll compare in Python. So 1 hour from here for concept. Okay. So it's 12:45, 1:45 will finish with 2 example explanation in Python. Then we'll take case study after the break. Clear for today? On screen. Anyone can explain what is the meaning of supervised and what is the meaning of unsupervised? Okay. Okay. So in supervised, we have both X and Y. In unsupervised, we have only X. So now we done linear regression, logistic, decision tree, random forest, 4 topics. In all the 4 topics, can you tell me it is supervised or unsupervised? Supervised. So we have both X and Y. Now here we have KNN. KNN stands for K nearest neighbor. Okay. Anyone can tell me, guys, what is the meaning of neighbor? अड़ोस पड़ोस, ठीक है, बाजू में जो रहता है, हाँ ठीक है, it's okay. How you define that is the main important. And वो correct है तो कोई भी लग चलेगा. Okay, let's take a small scenario. Guys, my drawing is not too good. Okay, so just manage. This is our house, example, house number 1 where we stay. And our next to house, if you stay on row house, you have bungalows. If you stay on flat, you have multiple flats on one floor. Think this is the house, and here we have multiple houses. Can I say many people live next to you? Now, according to you, you trust on everyone? Whom you will trust? For example, okay, neighbor. Example like thing, this like thing way. You're living over here. There are 10 neighbors next to you. Okay. You want to go out of the house for certain days, but your mom or your brother is going to leave. So you want to leave the key of the house. Sabne dekha hoga na, mom dad sometimes leave key to the neighbors. Okay, so there are 10 neighbors. To whom should we leave the house key? घर के पास वाले या सबसे trusted वाले? So this is not about people who stay next to you. It is about who is nearest to your heart, whom you can trust. Agree? So here we need to find the nearest person to your belief. If he is nearest to you, you will give the key to this person, so that your brother or your sister can get a key and use the house. Tell you clear? So can I say, guys, nearest is very important. So we need to find the neighbor such a way that they has to be nearest. Now question comes, how many neighbors? How many neighbor you trust on? Either 2 you can trust, either 1 you can trust, either 3 people you can trust. So K defines the number of nearest neighbor. So it's a value. Example, if I say K as 2, how many neighbors we trust on? 2 neighbors. If I say K as 3, how many neighbors? 3 neighbors. Clear? So K defines the number of neighbors. Okay. I'll just take a hypothetical situation, guys. Let's say we have Nikita, we have Uma, okay, and we have Sarang. All 3 are present. Okay. How much marks you score semester 1? Percentage? 90%. Madam, approximate any number? Sharon? Okay. Now, according to you guys, which two students look like similar to you? Why not Nikita and Uma? आपने ये दोनों बोले, I agree with that. Okay. So why not Nikita and Sarah? So you're suggesting this two because you said the difference between these two is very less. So can I say lower the difference, similar the people? Here we have difference of 80. Sorry. And here we have. ये clear हो गया guys? So distance play a very important role. As you said, distance has to be smallest. Can I say, instead of saying distance, can we say we are just doing a subtraction? We just subtract two values now. Okay. Now the data which you have written like this way, let me convert it to table format. Student's name, which is Nikita, Uma, Sarang. Let me write their mark score in SQL. Example, 60, 80%, 85%. Example. The marks score in your, let's say, Python. And then you have your statistics. You clear here, guys? Let me write a random numbers. Can I say the paper of SQL is independent of Python? Python paper is independent of stats. So every paper are independent. Now you tell me which two customers are similar. Which two students are similar? कैसे फाइंड किया मैडम? कैसे फाइंड किया? आपने करेक्ट बोला, आपने फाइंड कैसे किया ये क्वेश्चन है. तो क्या हो गया? तो वही सिमिलर, जैसे कि पहले हमने सिमिलर कैसे फाइंड किया गाइस? सबट्रैक्शन. तो यहाँ पे कैसे किया सबट्रैक्शन, ये क्वेश्चन है. हाँ, तो कैसे निकाला वो क्वेश्चन है. तो आपने एक ही रो को मैनेज किया, कैसे किया मुझे बोलोगे एक बार प्लीज? उमा, हाँ, तो डिफरेंस 5 आ गया. यहाँ पे 5 का डिफरेंस. सो इन दोनों में कंपेयर करो. 20 का डिफरेंस. So can I say you are making answer based on 3 different numbers? Okay, but prior we have done with how many numbers? 1 number is easy to understand or 3 number is easy. Okay, so when you have multi-dimension, okay, now if you look at 60 and this is one single column. So when we have one dimension, subtraction method is easy. When you have more than one dimension, it's more than one column. Okay, it becomes difficult to identify. Here I have taken 3. Tomorrow you have 30. Again, become difficult. To tackle this, scientists have invented a distance formula. And the formula of that distance is square Euclidean distance. Square Euclidean distance. इतना zoom क्यों हो गया? After the example, write hashtag solution. Write hashtag solution and write square Euclidean distance. And write this formulas which I'm giving you. Okay, written guys. Guys, I'll take a small hypothetical situation again to explain data set. Okay. To explain this data, I required 4 people to volunteer. So one person will be owner of the company who wants to become. Akash is a rich person. We'll make him owner. Okay. Second, we take, let's say, Tejas. Tejas works as data scientist. Okay. Second, we say we required one person, production scientist. Okay. I'll take right. Okay. Third, sales. Who wants to become sales manager? Let me cross check. Okay. Now, guys, let's say owner wants to build a new type of tissue. He wants to start a tissue company. Okay, the first person, owner say, if you want to make a tissue, there is an investment to start any business. To make one type of tissue, do you know what is a tissue, guys? What is the importance of tissue? To wipe it, to clean our hand and so on, correct? Within tissue, what is the important part? Paper. Second, how fast is absorbed the water? Can I say second, how strength it has? So owner has to make a tissue. So we say tissue one. First type of tissue he want to build for his company. So he hire a scientist who make tissue by using a chemical formulas. So Gayatri is a scientist. I can do for you, but you have to invest how much money? 10 lakh rupees. Kitna investment hai? So Gayatri may convince, he say, okay. Gayatri make a tissue. So when you make any chemical, guys, when you combine and make a solid works, we need to have some raw material. And they use some combination to heat and then make a tissue. So the combination they use is 7x7. This guy is not present till now in a company. Owners say money to scientists, scientists build a product. Guys, scientists going to sell a product. His job is to build and submit to the owner. Then owner have some Yash called as a sales manager. He given this product to sales manager. What is the job of this? To sell and generate revenue for a company. Okay, once sale happens, there is a role called as who wants to become customer. Okay, let's say customer number 1. She is the first customer she used, and she say the tissue which I am using of your company is very bad. What she has given the rating as bad. Ye clear ho gaya, guys? Sales will increase. So who is more responsible for sales decrease? Yes, तो sale किया लेकिन product खराब तो sale कैसे होगा? So should I hire Gayatri now? No. So owner is very genuine. He said, I want to be in market. Let's try second type of tissue. So again, he wants to invest a new tissue. He will invest money again. How much money? He will again one combination of tissue. 7,4. That tissue is given to yes for sales. Sales happen. Customer number 2 reported this tissue is also bad. So now think like how Akash will think. Abhi company ban kar do. Matlab, my objective is good, but the person who is making for me is not good. Okay. Now let's go to the third one. He wants to take one more risk. Gayatri convince him. Let me try one more. Okay. Again, he has to spend 10 lakhs. Ye clear ho gaya. With a combination of 3,4 and given to customer number 3. Rating comes to be as good. Who will be more happy? Akash. पैसे अभी आएंगे. Scenario clear हो गया. Same way. Again, if you want to try, because if you have to stay in a market, you have to come up with a new products with fragrance, color type, and so on. So he invested again 10 lakhs. Total investment. How many types of tissue he built for? 4. Given to customer and get feedback as. Now, according to you, which tissue he needs to go for last production? 1 tooth or 3/4? Is it clear ho gaya? So every time if you say guys, this is the first time investment cost, not the production one. Production happens in crore. This is the building cost, which guys did take and went away. Okay. Now, if owner wants to make another type of tissue, what he has to do? Again 10 lakhs. Cost to owner. Second, answer can be good, answer can be bad. So risk enough. So now he wants to find who can reduce my risk without investment. So he hired data scientist. Now he said, it's okay, give me 1 lakh, I'll do your work. So how much money we are saving? 9. Now this Tejas say, give me the data where you have done the production and what is the response you get. So that data we have. Clear. Let us call your train data. Now, the Tejas contact Gayatri and ask you, owner wants to build a tissue. Okay. Which combination you are thinking in your mind? So Gayatri will say, I'm thinking to have a concept of 3,7. See, this 3,7 is a new guys. She has not tried. And she want to build this combination. Answer can be good also, answer can be bad also. So this is your train data. Or you can say live data or test data, depends on you. I've given the name as validation. I need to predict what is the chance that this combination tissue will be a good tissue. Ye clear ho gaya? Now, this is my data, which I have to predict for, and this is a given data. Data set concept clear? Anyone have any? Please ask. ये पहली बार बना रहे ना, तो ये क्या है? इसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. हम उसके लिए प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हैं. ये क्लियर हो गया? Do we have Y over here? In live data, do we have Y? So we don't know. We have not done the prediction. This number is in the mindset of scientist. As an analyst, before prediction, I have to give the answer whether the tissue will be success or fail, good or bad. Road clear, guys. What data scientist work? Next one. Ye clear ho gaya? Next, what we do, we find the distance between the tissue which I want to build with my train one. Can I call this as x1, x2, and y? So what is the formula over here? Comparing tissue 1 with new. This is your A and this is your B. What is A value? 3 now. 7 square plus 7 minus 7 square. What is the answer, guys? How much? For second row. What is the answer? Can you solve this? Okay, I'll do for third one. 1 second. Let me solve. It's a very small data. Next one, 3 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4. Yes, 7 minus 4. Yeah. What is this value? 3 minus 1 square plus 7 minus 4 square. What is the value, guys? Can you round off and give me the number, please? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Give me in decimal. 3.6. Can I call this is distance, guys? On screen, you will also solve later. So I compare the new data with every given data. So I'm comparing my house with every neighbors. Really clear? Same distance, guys. You can see over here. Now, which have the smallest distance? Who has the smallest distance? I'll rank as 1. Second smallest. Third smallest. ये clear हो गया? Can I have rank 5, guys? Why not? Speak loud, please. Data 4 ही है ना, तो rank 5 कैसे होगा? ये clear हो गया? Now I can take the value of k. What is the meaning of k? To find the nearest neighbor. I have taken k value as 3. This 3 is decided by me as random. ये clear हो गया? Anyone have any question on this? Please ask. Point number 1. What is the first neighbor value? 3. What is the actual y? Good. Second rank, what is the actual y? Third rank, what is the actual y? What is the mode over here, guys? So this will become your prediction. हो गया. So the tissue बनाओगे उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Good. Done. Compute distance, everyone. So instead of giving 10 lakhs to Gayatri, give 1 lakh to data scientist, and what he predicted, answer as good. So just do production. Don't hire Gayatri. With this combination, start producing. That's the point, guys. How we save money of the company. Write this formula and keep on solving. is solved by yourself and cross check also. You have to do distance for every row manually because this distance formula we are using in 3 new algorithms. So if it's clear on the small data, it will be better for us. Shall I move forward, guys? Which one? Okay. Point number one, guys. I'll give the flow chart, how it works for you. Once we receive data, first understand this flow chart. After getting data, we compute distance. Distance helps us to find the nearest value. So we find distance, which has to be smallest. Okay. After getting the smallest distance, we compute, I call as prediction. So prediction will be selected based on mode. Smallest distance is also called as nearest. Distance formula is uses square Euclidean distance. So first, when we receive a data, we compare the distance. Wherever the distance is smallest, okay, within that we combine the groups. Or I can say like this, nearest based on value of k. It will be okay, guys, if I write over here, or nearest, smallest. After smallest, select the k value. And then we get prediction, which is based on mode. Any question in your mind, please ask. I'm open to any question. K value will decide how many are nearer to me. If I say K value as 2, okay, in our scenario, what should be the answer? Good. Both are good. If I take K value as 3, what should be the answer? Good. Now, if I take K value as 4, 2 good, 2 bad. Alphabetical wise, which comes first? Bad. Answer will come as bad for you. K defines the number of neighbor you want. You cannot take K as 1. Neither you can take K as 1, neither you can take K as entire data. So the K value has to be between 2 to n minus 1. If we have 10,000 rows, can we take K as 10,000? So neither we can take K. If I take K as 1, so can I say I am doing a prediction based on only one row? Rank 1 ना? अगर rank 1 good है, the answer क्या होगा? Good. So we are giving only comparing with one customer. So this is called based on one customer we predict. So when we take K value as 3 and 4, can I say we are comparing based on multiple customer and giving the answer? Like random forest, multiple trees. So when the K value increases, your error decreases. Yes. नहीं, ऐसे कुछ रोल नहीं है. You can take KS1, KS2, KS3, depends on you. 2, 3, depends on you. Here I have 4 rows. So I've taken 2 or 3 also. As such, we do not have any rule to take odd or even numbers. It depends on us. Martin, अभी तो मैंने repeat किया. Same we have numbers now. I teach you in stats. Smallest value will be selected for equal repetition of mode. Should I repeat that again? यहाँ पे नुकसान आया? We have taken 3. Prediction is our answer. We cannot predict 100% accurate. There can be some error. The job is safe. We will provide some error. If you give accuracy 100% indication, you are predicting accurately for every scenarios. That is not possible. Okay. Now, got the answer, Tejas? Or should I repeat in calculation? Other students? Okay. Next example, guys, you write as regression task. Example number 2, regression. Madam going somewhere? Yeah, आपकी class के students. On screen. Guys, I'm just comparing your pen paper output with the Python one. Okay. So tomorrow data will change, calculation and prediction concept will remain same for you. It's running for me, just wait. On screen. Guys, this is the data which we have taken, just compare. Here I have done coding for bad as 1 and coding for good as 0. Rest other data, can you compare please with the pen paper? एक बार क्रॉस चेक कीजिए, सेम है. Okay. Info, 4 entries, 3 columns. All are coming as integer because target is 0 and 1. Okay. Here I've taken, this is my X data and Y is my train data. Is it clear here? Next. I want to run K neighbors classifier. How many neighbors I want? How many we have taken on pen paper? Pen paper में कितने दिया है? 3. I write over 3 just to compare first. Assigning in model. Fit means apply the model. On external, ये clear हो गया? Okay. I'll come over here for first. This is your train data, compare live data. लाइव डेटा यही है. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? प्रिडिक्ट करना है. मॉडल predict for test. I wouldn't test for my case. Okay. If you want, I'll write over here for live. Same है ना, प्रोसेस कीजिए. What is the prediction we get on pen paper, guys? Good. What is the coding of good in our case? 0. Match हो गया. But the main thing is Python don't give you distance and Python don't give you rank. Convert किया ना 0 1 में. In our case, मैंने इसको 0 रखा है और इसको 1 रखा है. सॉफ्टवेयर में मैंने लेबल इनपुट अप्लाई नहीं किया है, मैंने मैन्युअली डेटा एंटर किया है यहाँ पे. अल्फाबेटिकल आपको ऐसे करना है तो आप ऐसे कर लो. आगे for G, but the main thing is, guys, if you remember, any algorithms which we run, they build model for bad customer, not for good. So that's the reason in our case, what is bad? First rows, first 2 rows are bad now. That's the reason, guys, I have written over here as 1. Clear. Now, if I change the value as K as 2, now you tell me what should be the answer. See in your data. Good. Okay. To avoid confusion, guys, what is the coding for good? This is a Python code, okay? Python coded. The answer should come as 0. Let me run this. If I take K as 4, so that's the reason I say, na, don't talk. You are looking at the back when I'm saying this. This K value I have taken as. Can I say take K value as 1? Okay, let's try with K value as 4. ये clear हो गया? This is your live data. Again, I run with this. What should be answer according to you guys? अभी ये 0 1 है. Don't think bad and good. Think in software it's 0 1. Alphabetical wise, which number wise which come first? अगर आपको confusion हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे yes no कर लीजिए. Clear हो गया? Numbers में ascending order that is selected. Shall I move forward? Done for everyone. Anyone have any question? Please ask. Because next example you need to solve. Okay. Write this data. It's a regression task, guys. Example number 2, regression task. Take your time. Anyone have difficulties? Stop, don't solve. I'll do for you. Okay. We have a one person, Kalakash. Akita, should I repeat anything? Should I repeat anything? So what are you talking? तुम मुझसे पूछो ना. Priyanka, don't behave like we guys. Guys, write the data, train data properly. Otherwise, your calculation will go wrong. Online students, write this one. Once you're done, guys, just update me. Online students, you will able to solve for this. Gauri, Himanshu, Prathamesh, Pratiksha. Do you want me to do for any one row, online students? Okay, Gauri, I'll wait for you. हाँ, distance calculate किया है is everyone. Okay. The main task is distance only because distance consume more time. Guys, compare the distance. Done everyone, getting same values? Okay. Now, after calculating a distance, question comes, what should be the value of K? 8,000. K value. Okay. How many number of rows we have? 4. Now you tell me what value you want to take. 2, 3, 4. 9. Sub numbers look 4. 6 numbers ka average take 6. This 6 value is decided by us, which is using random. We decided manually. We can change this number also. Now, which is the rank 1? Guys on screen. Second rank, third rank, fourth rank. No, third, no, sorry. 3, 4, and sixth rank. Okay. So this is the rank. Should I wait? You will solve by yourself. So please be quiet. Answers हो गया ना, rank बोल दिया ना, तो बैठ जाओ. Okay. Now guys, it is a regression task because y variable is number. So let me write, we have 8,000. 22,000. You have to write in ascending order only. $62 and $78. Guys, my question for you, can we compute over here as mean? Okay, can we compute mode? No. So for regression task, we always compute mean. Compute average and tell me. One. Huh? I say you're giving me the value average. Oh, so sorry, 1 second. So sorry. Sorry, my mistake. Sorry. The rank 1, what is the y value? You have to take average of this number. That's the reason I say, not just 139. Above 1, how much you say the answer? For regression task, always compute average because every person will get equal importance in average. 186. How much is average? 190. So the price of the house which Akash is going to purchase in the next month is 197 lakhs. 1 crore 97 lakhs. Well done, Akash. Thank you. Logic clear, guys, how the prediction works? Shall I? Now, guys, the value K defined how many neighbors you want to give importance. So K is nothing but importance of that value and we compute average. Clear? Can I take K value as 2 also, guys? K value is 3 also. Okay. On screen. I'll do in Python for you. To repeat. ये 6 value का average ले लीजिए. I'll repeat for you after this, okay? Guys, compare the data. I have written manually over here. You can see. Same numbers. What is the value of K we have taken? 6. So tenure and loan is my X. And house price index is my Y. So K we have taken as 6. This 6 decided by us randomly. You are allowed to take any K value. Okay. I run this model K as 6. This is your live data. Compare the value exactly same. What is the prediction we get answer as an average? Just cross check. एक बार cross check कीजिए. Average compute कीजिए. I am getting 191. This is correct. So you should get 191 only. He is getting correct answers, Sarang. Rank 1 is what is the Y value? 264. Rank 2. Rank 3, compare with your book. Rank 4. Rank 5. 231. ये ना 62,000. Rank 6. 250. ये मैच होगा, एग्जैक्ट मैच होगा, इसमें डिफरेंस नहीं आने चाहिए. How much are you getting? Average of this number. Let me just cross check. Guys, 1 second. 231, 267, 139. 139. 601, 35, 256, 31, 267, 139. एक डेटा मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लिया ऐसा लग रहा है ना मुझे. Guys, compare the value of Y. 135, 256, 231, 267, 139, 150, 127, 216, 139, 250 and 264. Just compute average of 3 numbers. Take average of 3 values of Y. K as 3. And 80.6. How much? 1? Match हो गया, guys. Try with K as 4. Take the average of 4 numbers. 4 Y value. $167.25. Just take 4 ranks, first 4 ranks, and do average of y. Exactly match. Guys, still you're clear? So here we say that average price of the house has to be, when K is 4, is 167. Average price of the house when K is 3 is 180. Still you're clear? I just teach you how to do a and how to compare the models. Now there is one more thing. Done till here, everyone? Anybody want me to repeat? I just teach you how it works. Now question comes how it fails. Okay. Point number 1. Guys, how we decide the value of K? So best value means to find the value of K. First method is random, which you have written in the theory also. Second method is K value should be taken as square root of n. If I have 100 rows, what should be the value of K? 10. Third method is K-fold. I'll teach you this method. Okay. This method we have used in decision tree also. I have not taught you at that time because you are getting confused. I'll teach you this is a method used everywhere in every algorithms. Till you are clear? 3 methods. This method, this is the best method, guys. Okay. Point number 1. Second, what type of data, guys, we have taken for classification? Y variable, category, X variable, numbers. What type of data we have taken for regression? Now, my question for you, can we have X variable category? Okay, my question repeating, can we have X variable category over here possible? X variable in both. Okay, why you say yes? What is the reason? So distance is the calculate करोगे. हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? हम क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं? So here we cannot take X variable as category because KNN works on distance. To calculate distance, we require data has to be numbers. Got the bifurcation between random forest, tree, logistic, and KNN? Till you clear? Logistic can take any type of data. Hold for decision tree, hold for random forest. But KNN not works. But the point when it's failed. Okay. Next point. Question comes, we need to calculate distance every time, guys. Can I say if we have outlier in the data, distance can be very huge? Can I say that outlier can change my answer? Agree na? A minus X value. X is very bigger. So distance can be wrong. So outlier is a pain for KNN. So in KNN, we should not have outliers. Clear? To control outliers, we have 2 methods. One is to treat outliers by using Winsorizing technique, which is Q3 plus 1.5, remember? Okay. So in outlier, guys, if outlier present, what change? Mean or median? Mean. If mean change, can I say prediction of regression task will also get changed? Because prediction in regression is average. So outlier is the pain for us. To control outliers, we can use Winsorizing technique, which is nothing but upper limit and lower limit. We have done this many times. Ye clear ho gaya, guys? Now in this Winsorizing, guys, please don't talk. In this technique, can I say we replace data by our number? Any number greater than upper limit, we replace that. So means that data is our data, which we replaced. Now, if you don't want to replace the data, okay, you want original data same as it is. And outlier should also not to be present. Means original data should remain original only. Plus, no replacement should happen. Second, outlier should not be present also. So that method is called as scaling. So scaling is the method which control outlier without changing the data. In scaling, we have two methods. Already you have written, guys. No need to write. Abdul, when I explain, never write. One is your mean max. Okay. Second is your standardization, or we can call as normalization. Have you seen this formula? I make you solve. कहाँ पे use करता हमने ये? Normal distribution while making a plot. So this is called standardization, or you can call normalization. Depends on you. Whenever a data comes to Z-score, what is the distribution of Z-score, guys? कुछ याद आया? Data become normal. If data is normal, there is no outlier. ये clear हो गया? Next one. We have mean and max. Mean max method say when you use our formula, okay? When you use my formulas, okay, this formula will convert answer into 0 and 1. Whatever number you have written, 10,000, 10 lakhs, the number after converting becomes 0 and 1. ये clear हो गया? Just to prove you guys, for this data, I have done scaling for you. Small data, you can also try by yourself. Your X variable, second X. See, guys, compare this data. Same here. Okay. Now I have to use Z score. What is the formula? X minus. What is the X value? In our case, first value, 25. What is mean value for tenure? 37 points. Clear your mean value. And this is your standard deviation. 37 point. And 12 point. Solve this and give me the number from the phone. Guys, in software, we just write standard. It's done for you. How much? No. I'm getting minus something, madam. आपने सिर्फ subtraction किया होगा. Minus 1.015. Now see the code. Original data. I just say I want to apply standard scalar. Can you compare the number? ये round of numbers है guys. ये round of है. Okay. It's a round of numbers. Okay. What is the second row? 0. Do for second row. 35. Just put 35 and solve. Guys, what is the value? Minus 2.23. Compare same number. It's a round of number, guys, for you. Okay. But do not round off. Clear. That's so clear, guys. Should I repeat? Now, next we have mean max. I'll give you the minimum value of data, max value of data. Okay, you have to solve this. For write minimum, let me write the formula first. What is the formula? X minus mean, max minus mean. X minus minimum, max minus minimum. So minimum value in our case is 20, max is 60. 20, max is 60. You know the first value of X? Yes. Solve this. What? X minus minimum. ये किस चीज का डेटा है? यस मतलब खरीदना ना, तो वो बैड कैसे हुआ? गुड रेट लिखोगे, बैड रेट की जगह गुड रेट, तो यहाँ पे उल्टा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि खार करने वाले को बैड बोलोगे तो बेचो इसको। जो मॉडल है उसके ऊपर एक ऐसा सिलेक्ट कर लेना, जो लॉजिस्टिक, जो आप अच्छे से पढ़ा सकते हो। दोनों की स्पेसिफिकली स्पेलिंग गलत, सजेशन कहाँ गया? आप घर जाके भी करना है तो कर सकते हो, यहाँ से भी करो। आकाश है ना, अभी इतना घर जाके करो, बाकी लोग की हेल्प कर दो। Zero point exact match. Can you do for second row and compare? Yes. ऑब्जेक्ट ये हटाना है, इसको बड़ा रखना है। इतना बड़े बड़े पॉइंट मत लिखो, इसको कम करो, एक ही लाइन बस होती है, इसको 2 पॉइंट में ब्रेक कर दो। एक लाइन साउथ के एरिया के ऊपर कर दोगे, हाँ करेक्ट, कोई बात नहीं, चेंज हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट से, ठीक है। सोर्सेस, हाँ तो वो देखना प्रेजेंटेशन में वेरिएबल, ठीक है। समरी डेटा ये हटा दो, उसकी जगह ये ले लो, ठीक है। ये आउटलाइन ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, ये परफेक्ट गुड वन। डेटा फॉर्मेशन आपने वैसे ही रखा है, कैंसिल करो ना इसको। Guys, done? Getting same answer? Yeah. Now take a break. After break, we'll continue. Break is only for 10 minutes. If you come on time, it's okay. If you're late, I'll start the new concept. Means the concept K fold is remaining. How to decide the value of K? Shall I? Sarang, shall I start? हाँ नहीं, आप लोग डिस्कशन करो ना, इसलिए मैंने पूछा। क्या चाहिए? Now, guys, KNN we have done on pen paper. Okay. Just 10 minutes more max. Okay. We have done on pen paper. Plus, we have compared with Python also. For regression, we take average as a prediction, and for classification, we take mode. Now, moving forward, our objective is to find the best value of K. Okay. As I said, we have three methods. First is random. You can change and select the best value based on accuracy. Second, we can use square root of n. And the third one is k-fold. Okay. Random है, square root है, k-fold. So guys, I'm teaching you k-fold. Anyone found difficult, stop me in the middle. Okay, it's a concept, guys, used everywhere. I'll draw the diagram. Okay. So let's start with data partition. So we have a data set. $10,000 rows, 25x, 1y. Now we split data into two parts, train and test. Guys, anyone can specify the value of any k? Okay, numbers will do. K as 3. Example, I've taken k value as 3. I decided this random. Okay. Now what's k-fold do? K-fold, okay, well, we also on train data to make a model. So here we need to make a model. The k value define the model for us. K means 1000. Okay, in Python or in machine learning, k value is by default taken as 10. Okay, 10 means breaking data into 10 parts. On which part we make model, guys? Train. So ये जो train data है, here we have 7,000, 70% data, 25x, 1y. In test, how many I will have? 3,000. Good. Now, if I break this data into 10 parts, okay, I'll call this as sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, sample 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear, guys? Now, 7,000 divided by 10. So in each, now how many parts will have? 700 rows. ये clear हो गया? Each subset will have how many rows? 700 rows. Guys, anyone have any? Please stop. I'm coming to the last step. we have not touched the test data. We are only working on train data. So can I say that all the subsets, all the sample subsets are the part of train only? Now I want you to select any random 9 subset. Can I do S1 to S9? Point number 1. Which subset remain? They are coming from train only. So we call this as subtrain. Train के subsets है. And they are also called as sub test. देखिए, मैंने इसका नाम दिया है sub test. We'll run the model. What is the value of K we have taken, guys? नहीं, this is for K fold. KNN का K was 3, ना? To avoid confusion, I'll write over here. K fold का K is 10. KNN का K is 3. Now S1 to S10, S9, and one sample become test. We'll check accuracy. Example I'm getting is 80%. Step number 1 clear. We'll try the combination such a way that, okay, we'll try the combination such a way that one sample will become subtest. One time. Repeating, one sample will come in subtest. One time. So how many combination I have to make, guys? अगर यहाँ पे S9 होगा तो यहाँ पे कितने होंगे? S1 से लेके S8, S10. Clear? This will be now S8, S1 to S7. ये क्लियर हो गया. ये हो गया S7, 1 to S6, then this logic clear हो गया. The process will repeat until every subset will come in test for you. So how many models will be building? 10. So what is the value for K we have taken? 3. So K 3 hai. Okay. And we made 10 models. यहाँ पे accuracy आती है example, let's say 76, 73, 83, and all have accuracy less than 70. Here we have 70, 71, 64, 60, and so on. So for each value of K, how many combination we have made? 10 combination, 10 different models. Priyanka, any question? Any question? समझाएंगे. I can see from your face. Should I repeat? First, we take train data. Data partition clear. We divide data into 10 parts. Clear? Okay. I want such a way that हर एक sample जो है S1, S2 एक बार सब टेस्ट में आना चाहिए. So कितने combinations बनेंगे? 10. ये क्लियर हो गया. So we'll have 10 combination, and we'll also will have their accuracy. मतलब मैंने K की वैल्यू 3 रखा, ये मॉडल रन किया. One second, what happened? This is called model number 1. This one is your model number 2. Now you tell me, Priyanka, in model number 2, what is the combination of sample I have taken? कितने सैंपल हैं? 1 to 10, which is out. How many remains? Which are the 9 numbers? ये clear हो गया. Same way, can you do all combinations? So guys, total how many models I will have? Last point, guys, the concept is done. We will make 10 models. Now, according to you, as per this answer, which have the highest accuracy? ये क्लियर हो गया. So model 4 is the best model for me with the highest accuracy of 83. Let me write anywhere. 1 second. Okay, second, last point. Okay, selection done. Okay, I'll just replicate now for you. Madam, please 2 minutes. If we have taken K value as 3, okay, how many models we make? 10. Out of 10, how many we select? 3. No, not reading a point. K 3 है, हमने कितने मॉडल्स बनाए? 10. कौन सा मॉडल सिलेक्ट किया? मॉडल नंबर 4 with accuracy of 83%. 3 83%. ये क्लियर हो गया? Can I change the value of K now? 3 की जगह मैं 4 ले सकता हूँ. So कितने मॉडल्स रन हो गए निकिता? समझ में आया? तो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे? Should I read each and every person face? Okay. Yes, madam. 10 मॉडल्स बनेंगे. 10 में से एक बेस्ट सेलेक्ट होगा और वो बेस्ट यहाँ पे प्रिंट होगा. Example. So if how many values I have taken K? How I have taken these 3 numbers randomly? So can I say I have taken 5 different values of K randomly? Each value of K take 10 models. So 5 value of K make how many models? Should I write sentence? Okay. His logic has to be very much clear. If K is 3, this 3 be decided randomly. और इसमें से कितने मॉडल्स रन होंगे? 10. इनमें से कितने मॉडल्स सिलेक्ट होंगे? 1. और उसका एक्यूरेसी कितना है? वी गॉट इट. ये क्लियर हो गया? If I change K value as 4, how many models I'll run Nikita now? 10. Which model we selected only? 1. I'm just writing a random numbers to explain you. Okay. Here we get accuracy as 74%. ये clear हो गया? Now I have taken K value as 7. Now how many models I'll run? 10. How many I'll select? 1. With the accuracy of, ये clear हो गया? Guys, just to explain you, I have taken this accuracy random numbers. Okay. Now this row, the last one. Okay. How many K values I have taken? 5. Okay. Each model repeat 10 times. So total how many I will make? 50. Clear हो गया? कैसे आया guys? Should I repeat? 3, 4, 8 ले लो और यहाँ पे 6 ले लो. Each कितनी बार रिपीट होगा? सम करो कितना हो जाएगा ये? Do the sum of this. अब क्लियर हो गया? Okay. So we have train accuracy, guys. According to you, which have the highest accuracy? 83. What is the value of K? 3. So the best value of K in our case is 3. Done. Easy to find. K, this K value? हाँ. याद है हमने ग्रिड सर्च पढ़ा था एक बार डिसीजन ट्री में. हाँ. In grid search, what we use, guys? What are the combinations? Loud, any one person. Minimum number of parent node, child nodes, branches. कुछ याद है? हाँ. Grid search apply combinations. Here, how many combination I have taken? 3 3 था. 9 9 3 था. Total how many combination? 27. Each combination repeat how many number of times? 10 times. समझा K fold? That's the meaning of C with 10. C with 9 लिखना है. That time I have not explained you because you are very much getting confused in tree only. I thought we should take a rest and after we can study. So K fold is used in tree also. K fold can be used in random forest also. K fold is a concept can be used in KNN also. K fold is also using in forward all algorithms. The K fold is a concept. It is not an algorithm. Decision tree is algorithm. KNN is algorithm. So K fold is used to find the best combination in the tree, and K fold is used to find the best value of K in KNN. Still clear? Any question, please ask. Concept done from my side. Yes, please. रन करो और चेक करो. ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है ना, बिकॉज के की वैल्यू आपने 2 नहीं लिखी तो एक्यूरेसी विल डिफरेंस. इसमें सर जी के की वैल्यू तीनों रन करो, जो बेस्ट है वो सिलेक्ट करो. ऐसा कोई डिफरेंस डिफाइन नहीं किया किसी ने. ये 3 मेथड्स है, आप तीनों में से कोई भी एक ले सकते हैं. अगर डिफरेंस होता तो परसेंटेज में डिफरेंस आता, तो ऐसा डिफरेंस डिफाइन नहीं है. Shall I move to Python? Anyone have any question for K fold? Please ask. Yes. हाँ. तो K को मतलब मेंशन किया तो उसमें भी जो बेस्ट वैल्यू रहेगी वो हम दोनों आएगा. अरे बाकी एक कॉम्बिनेशन की काम नहीं है. K3 कैसे मिला? K की वैल्यू 3 है. कितने मॉडल्स रन करोगे? 10. सेलेक्ट कितने करोगे? ये मैंने 4 भी तो बताया ना. पहले एक नहीं, इस क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट, इज गेटिंग कंफ्यूज. 1 सेकंड ना. K की वैल्यू 3 किसने बताई? मैंने. कितने कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई किया? 10. ओके, लेट मी राइट द हेडर. K taken as random. This is your K fold. And this is your selection model. And उसी मॉडल की क्या है? Accuracy. So K3 है, 10 times रन होगा, सिलेक्ट होगा 1. हाँ, जो बेस्ट वाला है वो 83 है. सेकेंड K की वैल्यू मैंने क्या ली? 4. कितने मॉडल्स रन होंगे? 10. हाँ, तो बेस्ट में से बेस्ट लेना है. हाँ. सो K की कितनी वैल्यूज है गाइस? 10. K fold K is 10. Okay. In KNN, K is how much values? 3, 4, 7, 8, 6. हर एक KN की K की वैल्यू के लिए आप K fold रन करोगे. परफेक्ट. 100 में से कितने वैल्यूज हैं? एक 5 टाइम रिपीट हो रहा है ना. So this is count as 5. This is sum as 50. So out of 10 K values, okay, we select one best K value using K fold. Do you want me to write in sentence, guys? I'll write for you. मैं लिख देता हूँ, एक बार आप पढ़ो तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. On screen, guys, just keep on reading this to find. ये क्लियर हो गया? Point number 1, guys, don't talk, please. For each K, Okay. We run a fold. Okay, and select best model. ये क्लियर हो गया? क्या हो गया अब्दुल? Anyone want to ask me? ये क्लियर हो गया? अभी इसी को मैंने k की वैल्यू 2 रखी, k की वैल्यू 3 रखा है, k की वैल्यू 4 रखा है, k की वैल्यू 6 रखा है, तो मैंने k की कितनी यूनिक वैल्यूज ली गाइस? 4. 5 ले सकता हूँ. Here I have taken how many values? 5. Let me show you. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Let me write same number to avoid confusion. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now ये values guys सॉफ्टवेयर तो डिसाइड नहीं करेगा, ये वैल्यू हम मैनुअल एंट्री करेंगे सॉफ्टवेयर में. This is manual entry decided by us randomly. हर एक k की वैल्यू के लिए how many runs we run? K fold and select the this one. Point clear हो गया? So हर एक k के लिए कितने बेस्ट मॉडल होंगे? एक. So 5k है तो कितने बेस्ट होंगे? 5 बेस्ट. ये 5 बेस्ट है. Now, out of this 5 best, tell me which is the best one. ये क्लियर हो गया? अभी ये कैसे डिसाइड हुआ? ठीक है. Any question please ask. My side concept done. क्या? हाँ. मतलब हाँ 699. हाँ वो आपके ऊपर है, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. करेक्ट है, आप क्या बोल रहे हो? हाँ वो 10 ही होगी हमेशा. हाँ उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते. हाँ हर एक सबसेट एक बार टेस्ट बनेगा, सब टेस्ट बनेगा, कंपलसरी है. ये प्रोसेस गाइस इट इज मैंडेटरी. दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस the middle one and Abdul. Explain careful to me. So you say yes now before I ask you. मुझे नहीं समझा सर, और ऊपर रिपीट करोगे प्लीज. Think like I am a vada pav seller and you have to explain me. वैल्यू ठीक है 10 होती है बाय डिफॉल्ट. चलो तो केयरफुल पहले करेगा क्या? हाँ करेक्ट, अभी करेक्ट बोल रहे.
जैसे वो सबसेट है 10, तो वो ग्रुप 10 का सबसेट है 10 पार्ट का, उसमें एक निशान 80, फिर जब इस टाइम का 76 ऐसे 80 करेगा वो, फिर जो ज्यादा एक्यूरेसी रहेगा मतलब उसमें आया 80, तो वो आपका क्या पड़ेगा?
K value है.
K value.
K fold is in done in 2 steps. First step, it's break it into 10 parts. Second step, every subset will become test. इतना ही है. और हर k की वैल्यू के लिए हम k फोल्ड को रिप्लिकेट करें. जो बेस्ट है वो सिलेक्ट होगा, जो बेस्ट में से बेस्ट है वो सिलेक्ट होगा. ठीक है, दैट्स द रीजन टॉपर्स कम फ्रॉम स्कूल, मेनी टॉपर्स कम टू कॉलेज. एंड उनमें से जो बेस्ट होता है वो टू IIT. यही हो गया ना. एवरी स्कूल हैव वन टॉपर, तो बेस्ट में से बेस्ट विल गो टू IIT Bombay or any IITs. Got the point? This concept has been derived in theoretically, converted in calculation is called K-fold. अभी clear हो गया? So when it links to your degree and you understand very fast. I'll take next time any application on yourself only. Shall I go to the next one? Yes, please. आपके ऊपर है, 1 से लेके 1000 ले लो. हाँ. तो वो डिलीट हो जाएगा ना ऑटोमेटिकली. क्या बचेगा? KS3. एवरीथिंग इज डिलीटेड. नहीं समझा आप कभी भी? क्यों रहेगा KS3? रुक जाओ. क्यों रहेगा KS3? आपके पास 10 लाख रोज है. Can you take any analysis of K? Which is the best one to find within K fold? जो बेस्ट मिल गया, use that to run the model. तो रैंडम का मतलब होता है जो मैंने लिया है आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. Yes, please. आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे? अच्छा, मैंने सीक्वेंशियल नहीं लिखा बिकॉज़ फिर एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है कि सीक्वेंस में क्यों नहीं है. इसमें मैंने 3 4 डाउन लिखा है, फिर 7 8 अप लिखा है. ठीक है, चलिए तो और एक ब्रेक कर देता हूं मैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू बिकॉज़ वी आल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट. ये प्रॉपर है, सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर नहीं है. ये क्लियर हो गया गाइस? You want to write the steps of K-fold, so write. If not, I'll move forward. सबसेट ज्यादा कैसे होंगे मैडम? हाँ, तो सबसेट 10 से ज्यादा कैसे होंगे? Here you have 7,000. Each part will have how many if you break into 10 parts? 700. Tomorrow you have 7 lakhs. नहीं कर सकते ना, ऐसा कोई इन्वेंट्स नहीं है. आप इन्वेंट कर दीजिए. आपको ये चीज माइंड में एक्सेप्टेबल क्यों नहीं हो रही है? आप 11-12 नहीं कर सकते ना, किसी ने इन्वेंट ही नहीं किया. That's the reason I'm saying, if you invent, you give to us. Yes, Uma, any question? Anyone depends on your partners or colleagues can ask to me. Don't behave like multicollinearity. You can be independent. And I'm not asking to you, I'm saying to everyone. Because what happened, Abdul and these 2 people are discussing. They 2 girls are discussing. So you can ask to me, I can clear your doubts. Want to repeat? I'll repeat again. एक बार जाएगा ना, पहले ऊपर 1 ले लो, नीचे 6 ले लो. Sequence I have written so that you can understand कि हाँ ठीक है हो रहा है. Or should I stand up 10 people and explain you? एक बार एक को बाहर निकालना है, फिर एक अंदर आएगा, फिर एक बाहर जाएगा, फिर एक अंदर आएगा. Okay, on screen 20 minutes for this guys, max to max. Already code is shared on you. Okay. This is a very small algorithms. Okay. Hardly take 2 or 3 lines, max to max extra. Okay. Point number 1, here we have to predict whether a patient will have a cancer. Within cancer, we have 2 types. Okay. A cancer which spread throughout the body and cancer which stay on the specific part. Example, if person have mouth cancer or a lung cancer, if you treat your lungs, curable. That is called as a benign cancer. And if you treat your lungs and the cancer has shuffled to your another part of your body, that is called as the malignant cancer. So this is a very critical cancer where people have a very less of recovery rate. So we need to predict what is the chance that a person will have a malignant cancer. Till you clear? I have taken a data, guys. This data is purely belongs to the vital data of a cancer. Means what is the radius of a cancer? What is the texture of a cancer? People who have the cancer, the blood, the skin thickness become very small as compared to the normal people. If you pin yourself, it takes some time to become red. For them, happen on seconds because the skin is very thickness for them. All this parameter I have taken, guys, belongs to the cancer parameter. Okay. Now it is a regression task or a classification task. What type of data were required for classification? Y category and can I take XX category? Yes. Why yes? Gender को 0 1 करोगे तो सप्लाई किससे करोगे? So always your X variable has to be numbers. It is mandatory rule. So let's pull down next. Number of rows 100. Number of columns 10. I drop the ID variable. Okay. I found outliers. Okay. In the data which we have is area. I'm keeping outlier same as it is. I'm not treating it. Because as I mentioned you, if outlier present, answer will get changed. Remember? To control outliers, either treat or either use scaling. Okay. Data partition, need to explain this, guys. Here we split with a ratio of 70 and 30. Okay. How many rows we have? 100 rows. First method is random method. Second method is square root of n. Square root of 100 is 10. Let's take 10. I run this. Okay. I need to run from the start. Guys, if you talk in the middle, you will forget this. Otherwise, because of you, other students will get confused. Session, please go out. What is the value of x k we have taken, guys? 10. This is k and k. Okay. We're using a method of second one. I'll use first also. Okay. This is your x train and y train. We combine and make as train. Model predict for x train. In the train, make a new column called predicted. So we have actual y and we have predicted y. When we go for classification report, let me take a report, guys. 1 second. Okay. Here I have made a confusion matrix. So what should be the combination? 15. How much percent? Good or bad? Good. So if the model is good, then only we can go for test data. I combine my X test and Y test. Okay. Model should predict for X test. Then I make a confusion matrix for this. How much is the value? Good or bad? So what should I do now? So can I say square root of n fails? Let's try with random. Can you say any value of k? मैंने 7 लिखा तो 7 नहीं बोलना है, कोई और नंबर बोलो. 5. ऐसे you study from here. ठीक है? I have taken k value as 5. Example. Run the model again. Okay. In data prediction. Okay. Again, I will make confusion matrix. 19 plus 43. 88. Better answer. Okay. Guys, let me write, otherwise you'll forget. Tried with square root of n concept. Training accuracy was priority 5 now. Now we are using random. Here also we have train. Here we also have test. Training is how much? 88.5%. Okay. Let's go for test data. Model predict on X test. Then we make confusion matrix. 9 plus. Good or bad? Better as compared to previous one. ये क्लियर हो गया? ये 3 ले लें? हाँ चलो. Take 3. Given by yes. Okay. This value how much we have taken? Now again we done with random only, guys. With 3 values. Okay. I'll run this one. Train prediction report. %92. It's okay. We will accept it. My company said 95%. I'm accepting for you. How much? So ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि स्मॉल लेना है तो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन होगा. That's the reason I have done for you. People will get confused कि चलो 5 is bigger number. That's the reason. Here we getting 66. So let's try with 3. So prior we have taken n value as 10. So इन्होंने ये लॉजिक लगाया कि 5 पे जब 63 है, 10 पे 63 है तो 5 पे 66 है, मतलब 3 पे close to 70 आ जाएगा. So as such, no predefined, guys, which is the best method. Apply and cross check. Proof हो गया रिश्ते? Now which is the method remains? Okay, hold. Guys, I have put in a small for loop for you. Okay. For k in range, what should be the value coming from this output? Zero till 24. चलो ये क्लियर हो गया. This indicate the first value of k is 0. 0 plus 1. What is the new value of k? 1. This k value will come over here. ये clear हो गया, which is nothing but number of neighbors. So the first value of k is 1. Okay. I want to run K neighbors classifier, sending in model 2. Apply on X train and Y train. ये clear हो गया? Using model 2, I want to predict for X train and X test. I need to compute score. First, I'm computing score for train data. Next, I'm computing score for test data. Accuracy score, Y train and Y predicted. Then you'll be doing for test data, Y test and Y predicted test. When the K value is what? 1. How much is the train accuracy? Overfitting. And for test, fail. Highest accuracy, guys. But you're failing in the test, na? So here we can say that the best model in our case, K7, I'll just run a for loop using all the values of K. I have not applied K fold. मैंने सिर्फ for loop run किया है. ये clear हो गया? So the best value of K is 7. So K7 is how much for training? 90, under the range of good fit, and 70 under the border range of good fit. Let's try this. 7. How much? 90% matches. So can I see the model is good fit now for train and test? Now guys, I want to change, I want to increase my accuracy. I don't want to be on borderline on test. Training is good. Testing is 70 means on the border. If any deviation happens, model will fail. So I want accuracy more than 70. Can we do yes or no with any values of K? So what you can say, model fail or data fail? Okay. Data never fail, guys. If data fail, we don't get a job only. Okay. Okay. Next point. Now question comes, why I cannot improve the value of K? Perfect. हमने outliers remove नहीं किए. Because of outlier, improvisation will not happen. So now let's remove outlier. So either you can treat outlier or you can do scaling. Let me write this guys for you. हमने क्या लिया था next value of K की? 7. And we are best. ये भी हमने randomly किया लेकिन for loop से किया. Training was 90. And we are on this border. Anyone have any question? Shall I move forward? Now guys, here I have not done any scaling. I have taken the same data in different written. I've given this file also. Everything is common. Data imported. Okay. Checking number of infos, removing column, data partition till everything is common. Here what I'm adding is over here scaling. So I say scalar fit dot transform. My scalar is which one? Standard scalar. Come from which package? Scalar. I want to do pre-processing. Pre-processing means I want to change my data. I want to process it better way. Functions available are standard scalar and mean max. You can use any one. I am using standard scalar. Till you clear? Scalar dot fit transform means convert, apply and convert. X train is original, I converted. And for X test also. This is your converted data, guys. As per the rule, whenever you apply standard scalar, okay, the rule say that the mean will become 0 and standard deviation as 1. Can you read over here? The mean will become 0 and standard deviation as 1. So all the mean values are 0 and all standard deviation become 1. This is just to prove you that we have done the scaling. Now using X train, Y train. What is the value of K we found, guys, randomly? 7. Let me write 7 over here. Clear? This is my converted data. Just convert into matrix in data frame. I just combine my X test and Y. Model predict on transform data, scale data. We got prediction. Okay. Then I say I want to make confusion matrix. How much? 91. It's okay. 1% is not a very difficult rule, guys. We can say 91 is good for us. Okay. I have just moved forward with same number, guys. Okay. This is without scaling, unscaled data, and this is scale data. 91% for train. Same, I make text data into data frame. I just combine my X test and Y test. It's a model predict for X test, which is your scale data. Then we make confusion matrix. How much is accuracy? Better, guys. Can I say scaling help us to increase our accuracy and make the model better without any replacing data? See, हमने data को convert किया है. चलिए clear. Anyone have any question? Please ask. Now, guys, how we decide this value of K? Random. Logic clear? So random also works, but if you do scaling, your answer become more better. Now I don't want to go with random. I want to go with third method remaining to teach you. Yes. अभी आप लोगों ने सॉल्व किया था ना ये मीन माइनस एक्स तो जो वैल्यूज आई थी वो आपका डेटा है और अभी ये डेटा यूज करोगे मॉडलिंग के लिए ये आपका ओरिजिनल डेटा है okay? This is your original data set. What scaling do? It's convert data और कुछ नहीं और अभी ये डेटा आप यूज करोगे मॉडलिंग के लिए. That's the use of scaling. Nothing else. Okay. On screen, Akash. 5 minutes more. Okay. Okay. We have n neighbors. Means how many neighbors I want. Range given from 2 to 9. The rule of the range we have arranged in 2 to 9. So we'll start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. KNN classifier I'm assigning in KNN2. That's a name. Grid search CV KNN2, which is a KNN classifier. Parameter grid means apply combinations. Each combination repeat 10 times. How many combination we have, guys, over here? 7. 7 times out. So 7 each combination repeat 10 times. Total we have This is clear. Out of 70, which is the best combination for us? And what we have taken, ये clear हो गया. And if I take 6, what should be the best score? 8. Will not overfit also and help the model better. Easy to find the best value of K, guys. Any question, please ask. हाँ? देख लेते ना रन करके. कुछ मैसेज आए? See the output difference, this versus that one. ये लिखा नहीं आता है ना? If you want that, that's the reason we write verbose as 1. Just to print this, how many we are trying it? Easy to find the best value of K, guys. Either use a for loop or try your luck by changing K value randomly. Okay. Or use K fold. K fold is small and easy, guys. So यहाँ पे हमने कितने कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. इनमें से हमें बेस्ट सेलेक्ट करना है. Trying combination is called as inside grid search. We apply k-fold for each value. So grid search is a method which apply combination. Within each combination, we use k-fold. Okay, and grid search select the best value of k based on highest accuracy. Done from my side. Any question, please ask. I have teach you all 3 methods, random also, and the mindset of 10, 5, 3 wala bhi. I teach you square root of n also, and k-fold also. Any question in your mind, please ask. I'm open to any question. Correct. So whatever changes you do on train to make a model, when model you apply, तो आपका model क्या है? Scale model है. So it required data has to be scaled only. Any other question, please ask. कंपल्सरी नहीं है. अगर आप स्केलिंग करोगे तो एडवांटेज क्या है? डेटा को आपने मैनिपुलेट नहीं किया, डेटा को सिर्फ आपने ट्रांसफॉर्म किया. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई आस्क यू, लेट्स से व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वैल्यू वी हैव टेकन. नहीं आपने कैलकुलेशन किया था नहीं, ये वैल्यू बोलोगे प्लीज. नो नो, एक्स वैल्यू, मीन वैल्यू. No, no. Minimum is 20. Mean is what? अरे मैंने आपको अभी तो लिखाए थे. नहीं लिखा है. ये मीन मैक्स का फॉर्मूला है. ये हम Z स्कोर कर रहे हैं ना. What is the value we get? 1.015. Example, positive or negative? Negative. अगर आपको value, this is Z value, guys. Now you want to go back to your original values. We are done. हो गया. मत लिखिए. ठीक है. Now my question for you, I want to find the value for X. Okay, but I know the Z value. Can I find this? Yes. कैसे करोगे? Simple maths. ये solve करो, cross check करो, are you getting the same number or not? You should get approximate 25. So we can convert data, and also can we come back to the original one? So if you do square root transformation, what is the answer? Can we transfer to original by taking square? So same way scaling is also one method. तो अब scaling कर रहे हो तो आपने डेटा को रिप्लेस किया, फिर डेटा को कन्वर्ट किया. So when you do treatment of outlier, when should I think? Over there, what we do? We just replace the value. So this is a very different concept, guys. We are treating outliers only. In treatment of outlier of when should I think? We just replace the number. मतलब अगर 25 outlier है, 25 को replace कर देंगे upper limit से. But when you do scaling, we just convert the number, and also we can go back. Clear हो गया? Scaling never change your data; it just transform your data. And visualizing, capping, flooring change your data. So which is better? Scaling. Second scenario. Business question. You are working on a scenario where customer have taken a loan, which is loan amount. You need to predict whether he will pay the money or not. And Tejas is the customer who have taken loan. And second customer is Yash. Every customer have taken a loan between 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. And Tejas have taken 1 crore. Can we call outlier? Yes. If you do not treat, can we replace outlier by upper limit? 1 crore को 10 लाख से replace कर सकते हैं, बाकी 90 लाख आप भरोगे फिर. So in that scenario, can we use scaling? What the scenario clear for you? Done from my side.